Do you want to build a RAG application but find it a hassle to add documents to your vector database and manage your vector database? Do you find it a hassle to deploy your AI chatbot and have it ready for use? Well, Devant by WSO2 has the solution for you. Today we're going to deploy an HR AI chatbot on Devant by WSO2. Before we create our Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG application, we're going to add our documents on HR policies to our vector database. Once you sign in to Devant, you can head over to your organization and go to the admin section and find the RAG Ingestion feature. Here you can easily configure your vector database and how you want to ingest documents to your vector databases. Once you come here, you can see that Devant supports a wide range of vector databases. It supports Pinecone, ChromaDB, VV8, PostgreSQL with PG Vector installed, as well as Devant managed vector bases as well. If you want to create a vector database on Devant, you can head over to the vector databases section here. For this example, I'm going to be using Pinecone DB. So once I click on Pinecone, I'll be prompted to provide my API key and collection name. I'm going to go ahead and click here to paste my API key in. Then I'm going to be prompted to provide my collection name. Now, if you already have a collection in Pinecone or any other vector database, you can put the name here, or if you provide a new name, Devant by WSO2 will create a collection for you. So I'm just going to type in HR documents, since that is what I'm going to be doing with this collection. So I'll click on Next, and then I'll be asked to configure my embedding model. Devant by WSO2 provides embedding model providers including OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, and Mistral. For this example, I'm going to be using the OpenAI's text embedding ADA002 model. Once I select that, I'll be again asked to provide the API key for the OpenAI embeddings. I pasted my OpenAI API key here, and I can click on Next. Now I can configure how I want to chunk my documents before ingesting them into the vector database. Devant by WSO2 provides 3 chunking strategies to chunk your documents. The first is the recursive strategy, which tries to do a smart recursive chunking. The others are sentence-based chunking and character-based chunking as well. So I'm going to stick with recursive chunking here. The other 2 parameters you can set are the max segment size, which determines how many characters can be there in a chunk at maximum and how much overlap there is between each chunk. You can leave these values at what they are if you want, but I'm going to increase the max segment size to something around 1500 to get slightly larger chunks. Then I click on Next, and I'm prompted to upload my files to add them to my vector database. Once you select your files, they'll appear here in this order, and you can remove any of them by clicking on the trash can icon. I'm going to click on Upload to add these to my vector database. Now the upload is complete and my documents have been parsed, chunked, embeddings have been created, and they have been added to the vector database. So now my vector store is ready to go to connect to a RAG application. Now we could complete this here, but just to make sure that our ingestion worked, we can move on to the next step and verify by providing it a query. So I'm just going to ask it a question like, how does the annual leave policy work? And see 5 most relevant chunks are. So it retrieves the 5 most relevant chunks from my vector database, so I can verify that it actually worked properly. So I can see that the retrieved chunks are actually relevant to what my query is, and I can verify that my ingestion has worked properly. And now we'll move on to deploying the HR AI chat agent. Now that we've added our documents into the vector database, it's time to deploy our HR AI chatbot. Now, the Devant by WSO2 team has already created a sample HR AI chatbot, which you can use to follow along with this tutorial. So I'm going to select my project, see more samples, find AI agents, then click Quick Deploy on the HR Assistant. It will take a couple of minutes to build your AI integration that includes your chat agent, and then you can configure it to have a chatbot up and ready to go. Now the build has complete on Devant and our HR AI chat agent is ready to go. There's one final step to do, and that is to add the configurations into Devant. So I'm going to click on Configure to continue. and it will provide me 3 fields to provide the OpenAI token, the Pinecone API key, and the Pinecone URL. So I'm going to provide these values. Now that I've added in these configurations, I'm going to hit next. And now apply. So now I can see that my development track is active, and I'm going to click re-authenticate and send a message. So now we can chat with our AR AI chat agent and ask it questions about our HR policies. So again, I'm going to ask a question: how does the annual leave policy work? And now we can see that the HR AI chatbot answers the question using the policies that we have provided in the RAG ingestion step. We can ask other questions as well. How many leaves? So we have created an HR AI chat agent and deployed it on Devant by WSO2. We've also created our knowledge base on our vector database using Devant by WSO2. So if you want to create any AI chat application or any RAG application for that matter, you can use Devant by WSO2 to quickly and easily ingest your documents into your vector store and also deploy your AI chatbots or any RAG application here on Devant by WSO2.